It was huge. When I started to find the system, it was almost like that moment of like, this is perfect. This is what we need right away. And I knew from the moment that we found it, that I was like, this is the system that we need in place. And I thought it was just for inventory at the time. And then my excitement kept growing about it. And I was like, this is so powerful for us. We can use it for so many things that will make our lives easier, less stress, save time, be more productive, just on a daily basis throughout the company. And one of the things I like is that since it's so user-friendly, I have a lot of my technicians, they might not be the most computer savvy people, but they know how to use it. And there's not a struggle for them to use the system at all. We started with Excel and realized that we couldn't keep updating Excel every time we ordered a part. People were telling me to order things, but then we were finding them in the back of cabinets. And it was just so unorganized and stressful trying to manage that. And now that we have this tracking program, it's like, I know exactly where that is. I know if that equipment's in stock. I know its location. We've been working a lot of moving around equipment, so we've been able to put our dimensions in there, and we've actually been able to design rooms around having to track via dimensions inside the system. We started as an inventory process, but we actually now track our equipment, all of our POs, our invoices through Track Via, which we could not do with any of the other software programs we were looking at. By working with Dennis, we started thinking, wow, we could utilize the software not just for inventory, but now we can expand it into equipment. Then we started using it for some of our projects that we were doing in the area. And it's like, okay, let's use it for invoice and budgeting. Now we do our POs through there. And now we're all the way up to, we're a test lab. So we are the R&D department. We do all the testing for our company. And we were trying to track our parts through the system. And it was hard for the engineers or anybody who had a test to know where it was in the program. Now we utilize Track Via. We can give them real-time updates of where their parts are in the system, how long it has to go, when it was last scanned, give our average turnaround times for the lab area. So it's really exciting for us right now. It was the exciting part of my job being a manager because it started off just being able to get rid of the spreadsheets. And then it started to realize it's a customizable system. If something's not working out, we can change it and make it fit our needs. So it's actually made me more excited about my job because I see the power behind it, that we can expand this into other areas of our business and we're not locked into one specific thing. So last year we actually worked on having others throughout the business start to join in. And it's really nice because it's so user-friendly for us. That's our biggest win, because people don't want to have to learn a whole new system and struggle with it. They just want it to be very easy. And so far everyone who's joined in said, this is really easy. It's very direct to use and they don't struggle with it. If we have any problems, it's easy to pick up the phone and call Dennis or email Dennis and Bridget, and they help us right away.